Want a biscuit? Now I just wanted to talk to you for a second about the equipment you need when you're filming. Now if you're doing car videos like we were doing, you don't necessarily need to spend thousands and thousands of pounds. We've got a GoPro Hero 4 which okay is £300, although I got a refurbished one with still a year's GoPro warranty for £229. We've also got a 4K camcorder camera now, which was £600, but that was a present, so bargain there. Microphone, a lot of people go on about the Rode boom mics, which are very good, but you've got to pay hundreds of pounds for them. I got a Trackstar mic for £19.99 with a bass boom, and it is brilliant. It picks up really well. I had a bit of fluff, you know, the anti-noise fluff off a different mic, which cost me about £6, and that fitted on this. So that was basically £26 for the external microphone and the fluff. Now, boom mic poles. We looked at getting a boom mic pole, and again, these are 80, 90, maybe even £100. And Malcolm got this pole, which is basically an extendable washing pole for about £4, I think. I bought this bracket, which is a hot shoe for the microphone up here, and it's adjustable. I paid £6 for that on eBay. We just took the end out of here, re-drilled a screw or a bolt, and screwed it on, and it's solid as anything. The extension cable is a 3-meter cable, and that was I think £2.99, something like that. And there you go. Now, if you're using a GoPro, you will need to use the original GoPro connector for the audio, because the cheap ones off eBay just don't do it. So it's worth spending the £15 on the original GoPro one, because then you get the quality sound. The other one just, it doesn't work at all. So don't even bother. So there you go. So you don't need to spend thousands of pounds to start making videos. You just need to use your noodle, shop around, and think about other alternative ways of doing it. Good luck. Have fun. So I got another jacket arrive, so I'm now going to open that and see what it is. I can't remember what it was now. It was only a few days ago, but I've forgotten what it was. I think it's a green hoodie jacket. Let's see. It's got the logo on the back here. Yay, another one. I'm starting to get a nice collection of these now. Nice colours.
Anything?
This is my favourite programme saying.
Thousands of courageous singles applied to take part in a scientific matching process, where they would meet their partner and minutes later get married.
Walter. Now the newlyweds are working.
Patrick, what are you doing? Wait! No! Oh my god.
Both my grandparents put in both walls.
Everybody lives
I've just got two artists.
Yeah!
People who are fighting.
Yeah! Yeah!
You having fun? Hey! Been run over by a truck. Oh, I got wet. There's water coming out of the tyres. That's where Callum had it in the bath. I need to drill holes in it and get the water out. Yeah, that's it. Wipe me dry. Well done. No. Yeah, we don't want to see that.
No.
No?
Training's going really well.
It is?
Yes, it is.
The harder I try, the more confused I'm getting.
Copy in there.
I'm really scared that my mind's just going to go blank.